Welcome, Trinity.
Hi Di, thanks for having me here.
You're welcome. So Trinity, can you tell us a little bit about what you do, your business name and what it does?
Okay, EnviroChill is a very unique or specialised service for the food industry. We provide a range of services for restaurants, hotels, hospitals to improve their cold room hygiene so that we're improving food safety and helping them reduce waste and just providing a whole range of benefits in their cold room system.
So that's interesting. So in cleaning their cold rooms, what is it that you're actually doing? I mean, is it just like getting rid of excess ice or cleaning mould and mildew? What is it that you do?
Yeah. So obviously every business has got their own routine that their own cleaning standards that they have to do on a regular basis. But we perform more of a spring clean or a high level clean, which just provides a more thorough cleaning service than what you get on a daily basis. So we get into the nooks and crannies that you can't do on a daily basis. So that helps to improve the overall cold room hygiene. But we also clean the big fan evaporator unit, which is inside there. So keeping that clean also helps to improve the energy efficiency, so reducing their power consumption and saving their energy bills.
Oh, so that's good. So not just having a clean cold room, but you can actually get better, cheaper electricity out of it because
That's
you're running
right.
more efficiently.
It's running more efficiently, so it's sort of part of your preventative maintenance. We're not refrigeration mechanics; we don't replace them, but we certainly try to make sure that the equipment is in the cleanest, most efficient condition it can be in.
Oh, that's fantastic. So why do you do what you do?
I like the environmental benefits of what I do. Our mould and bacteria services also help to improve the food safety, but also reduce food waste, and food waste is really a big global issue these days. So if we can help businesses to not only save on their electricity consumption, but also reduce their food waste and save money on their food product, there's a big global push going on at the moment to reduce food waste, and I think that's really important.
Okay, so it sounds like you're running a bit of a business with a purpose. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I am. I really enjoy what I do, and it's interesting working with people who've not heard of these types of products or services before, and how they can come to realise how much better their refrigeration can be by putting in a system that we provide.
Oh, wonderful. So how long have you been in business?
We actually started the business 10 years ago. It was a very unique franchise that we bought into, but a couple of years ago we moved away from that so that we could add more products and services to what we were doing, to include the cleaning and cold room curtains, and just try and find more services to support people in the hospitality industry, to make their life easier and you'd be a one-stop shop for cold room hygiene services.
Oh, that's good. So that's when EnviroChill was born, wasn't
it?
Yes,
yes it was.
Wonderful. So what do you love the most about your business?
There's a couple of things I like about having my own business, and that's, I suppose on the personal side, it allows us the opportunity to spend time with my family. I can set an appointment and go out and see a client at a time that suits both of us, and still be there for when my kids need us. But on a professional sense, I really enjoy meeting new chefs, meeting new business owners, explaining to them what we do, letting them see how much better their refrigeration can be, showing them new technology, showing them the advancements that are available to them these days, and then helping them save money, because there is a real cost benefit to what we do. And that little global passion about the environment, I think, is important to me.
That's very admirable. So if you started again, what would you do differently?
What would I do differently? I would probably start my business networking a lot earlier. It's only been in the last year or so that I've started to get out and meet other small business owners, attend Chamber of Commerce meetings and local groups, and I've really found that tribe of people that are around those events are very supportive, have a lot of great ideas and things that you just can't do on your own.
That's good. That's a bit of a theme that comes through some of our interviews that we do.
Yeah.
People talk about finding your tribe because they are very important to have around you, aren't
Yes.
they? That's good. So what would be your number one tip for anyone who might be thinking of starting their own business or already have their own business? What tip could you give them?
I would say have a really good business plan. There's lots of different templates out there that you can get, but really go through your numbers, know your numbers, profit, loss, break even, have a not so much a contingency plan because no one wants to plan to fail, but be realistic about your numbers and know what you need to achieve to get there.
That's very interesting. You know, your numbers drive your business, don't they? So
They do, yeah.
You need to be on top of those.
Yeah.
So how can we find out a little bit more about what you do? So, you know, website, contact phone numbers, etc.
All the usual suspects. So I'm on Facebook, which is just EnviroChill. And then our website is www.envirochill.com.au. You can also find me personally on LinkedIn as Trinity Bond, and I'm only a phone call away on 0415 168 729.
That's great. Can you just repeat that number again?
0415 168 729.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Trinity, for sharing what you do with EnviroChill.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.